We must hurry because the flight is very early today.
I have my favorite toy and my books ready, Dad.
Excellent. Are you ready for our trip?
Did you check the black bag for our plane tickets?
I think the tickets are inside my blue jacket pocket.
Everyone get into the car right now.
The traffic is very bad on the highway today, Sam.
Do not cry, Toby. We are going to see Grandma.
Cuckoo, gaga, big airplane in sky.
Grab your small backpacks and follow me inside quickly, everyone.
Look at all the busy people walking around us today. The airport is so big and very beautiful, Mum.
Wait a minute, I cannot find our main travel wallet.
What do you mean you cannot find the wallet, Sam?
The passports and our flight tickets are completely missing, Lily.
Are we going to miss our big flight to Grandma?
We cannot see Grandma if we lose those important documents.
Please, can we check in without the real paper passports?
You always forget the most important things on our trips.
I am so sorry, I was carrying too many bags.
Wah! 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 I want my warm milk right now.
Everything is going wrong at the airport today, everyone.
I will check the family car one more time. Stay here.
We only have 30 minutes before the plane doors close. The airport is much too large to find a wallet.
The wallet is not inside our family car, Lily.
Where could you drop something so very important, Sam?
I think I dropped it near the busy coffee shop. Excuse me, did anyone find a black leather wallet here?
There is nothing here but some old paper cups, Dad.
Time is running out very fast for our family trip. Hello there. Do you need some help today, young man? Yes, officer. We lost all our family passports here today.
A missing passport is a very big problem at security.
Can you help us check the security cameras, sir?
Let's go take a look. Follow me to the main security desk right now, everyone.
Did the security officers find anything inside the station, Sam?
I am checking the lost and found box right now. Our vacation is completely ruined because of my stupid mistake.
Dad worked so hard to pay for this flight.
Wah! Wah! I want to see Grandma right now.
Shh, Toby, we are trying our best right now.
Nothing has been brought to the desk yet, sir.
I am the worst father in the world today, Lily.
Wait, let me think about our busy morning walk.
Dad, did you give me something near the car?
I gave you a small snack bag, I think.
No! Look inside this secret pocket right here, Dad. The passports and tickets were inside my bag all time.
Oh my God! I remember giving it to you now.
I forgot because I was watching Toby's red toy.
You are a wonderful helper. I am not angry at all.
We have the documents, but we are still very late.
Your flight starts boarding in exactly 10 minutes, everyone. We cannot run fast enough with all these heavy bags. Hop onto my electric cart. I will drive very fast. This cart is like a real superhero car, officer.
Hold on tight, Toby. The cart is moving now.
Please move away. Official airport business coming through now.
Go fast, airplane!
Oh, we are moving so fast. We might make it now.
Go through this special line right now, my friends. Put your blue backpack in the box quickly, Lucas.
The machine did not make a loud sound, thank goodness.
I have the backpack, and the wallet is safe inside.
Jump back in. Gate 15 is at the very end.
Gate 15 is still very far away from here.
I can see the green gate sign shining over there.
Here is the family for the flight to Grandma.
You arrived at the gate just in time today, sir.
Thank you so much. We are so very happy now.
We could not do this without your big help, officer.
Lucas is the real hero who saved the family trip.
Thank you, sir. I will be an officer too someday.
That's wonderful, son. We'll be waiting for you. Let us find our seats inside the big airplane now.
The airplane looks very clean and very comfortable, Sam.
The secret wallet is safe in the locker right now.
Look at the big white clouds outside the glass. Wow. Yes, they are big white clouds.
I am sorry for being so forgetful and stressed out.
The engines are making a very loud noise right now. Fly, fly. Go up high into the beautiful sky.
The houses look like tiny toys from up here, Sam.
Grandma is waiting for us at the next big airport.
We are together safely, and that is all that matters.
I thought an adventure was about the destination. But it is about protecting the ones you love. I will always watch our important things from now on.
Here is half for you, my sweet little brother, Toby.
My children have the kindest hearts in the whole world.